Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura. Today I'm going to share with you a kit from KnitPal. Now KnitPal sent me this kit so that I could show it to you. I also have a discount code that I'm going to share with you in just a few minutes. But before we get started on that, I wanted to show you this beautiful yarn that you get. Now this is a cotton blend yarn. It is 78% cotton and 22% acrylic, and it is a DK weight, so it's a little bit on the thinner side. These are great little dishcloth kits, and you get your choice between regular crochet, knitting, or Tunisian crochet. They have great step-by-step video tutorials. In case you're unfamiliar with the stitches, these are perfect kits for beginners. They also have Facebook groups that you can join if you needed extra help or if you just wanted to communicate with other KnitPal users. What I really like about this yarn is it's super soft. It doesn't irritate the skin. It's really lightweight and it's good for summer clothes as well as baby clothes. You can also use it for home decor as well. This yarn comes in 61 different colors. That's a big variety. In the description box below, I'll put a link to this yarn as well as a coupon code that you can use to get 15% off. Now let's go ahead and watch my unboxing. This is a dishcloth kit and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you. It comes in this nice little package. And we're going to check out what's inside. I'm so excited to be partnered with them. This kit comes with 3 skeins of DK weight cotton yarn. Now this is a sky blue color, and then you get 2 jean blue colors. I can tell that this is a nice soft yarn by the way it feels. So pretty, gorgeous colors. Each one of these is 142 yards. And then they also included this little package. This includes your crochet hook, and it's a 3.5 millimeter hook needle. And then you get your QR code for the patterns. This is a sample of the dishcloth pattern that you will be making with this kit. I'm going to go ahead and start working on this dishcloth, and I'll be back in a moment to share with you what it looks like. So here is the dishcloth that I made. I think it turned out really pretty. The pattern is very easy to read, and it was really simple to make. It worked up really fast. I really like that it comes with its own little crochet hook, just in case you don't have the smaller size. One thing that I did notice is that the needle that you use to weave in your ends, it's a little bit too big to go into your stitches. See how the head of the needle is very wide? The crochet hook isn't as wide as the needle, so you can save this for another project and just use the needles that you have already at home, or you can just crochet over the ends like I did, and then you don't have to worry about it. I really enjoyed making this dishcloth, and I have enough yarn left over to make a couple more. I'm looking forward to trying another kit in the future, and I think you'll really enjoy it as well. So don't forget to go ahead and click the link down below and use the discount code right here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.